Hello guys, today we are making kimchi fried rice. This recipe is inspired by Chef Im Song-gun, a Korean chef who really stood out in culinary class wars too. Nothing fancy, just really good Korean comfort food. So what kind of food is kimchi fried rice? Think of it as bibimbap's more relaxed cousin. Same idea, mix everything together, but with less effort and more attitude. In most Korean households, there is always kimchi in the fridge. Always. Even when there is nothing else, somehow there is still kimchi. Because of that, there are countless kimchi-based dishes, and kimchi fried rice is one of the most popular ones. It's the kind of meal you make when you don't want to cook, but you still want to eat something good. Once it's done, you don't really need side dishes. Kimchi fried rice basically says, "I've got this, sit down." Also important tip, kimchi fried rice is better with leftover rice. Fresh rice is too wet. Leftover or frozen rice, perfect. So yes, this is also a very practical dish for dealing with mysterious rice hiding in your freezer. As for kimchi, people usually use well-fermented sour kimchi, but honestly, if it's kimchi, it will work. This isn't a strict recipe, it's more of a use what you have and trust the process kind of food. You don't have to use the exact same ingredients I'm using. I use bacon here, but any meat or protein works just fine. If you have vegetables in your fridge that need to be used up, this is a great place for them. Just add whatever you have in reasonable amounts. You might be surprised that I'm using mayonnaise instead of cooking oil or butter. It doesn't have to be mayo, but if you are not totally against it, give it a try. Personally, I really like the flavor. Trust me on this one. I'm not sure where you're watching from, but does your country have its own version of fried rice? If it does, let me know where you're watching from and what kind of fried rice is common in your country. In the comments below, I'd love to read them. For me, the most important part of fried rice is letting the rice press against the pan for a moment. When the cooking is almost done, spread the rice out evenly so it has time to gently press and crisp. Keep the heat at medium to medium-low and be careful not to burn it. That little bit of texture at the end makes a big difference. See that crispy part sticking to the pan? That's your sign. Turn up the heat and move it to a plate. You don't have to do this at home, of course, but let's make it look a little nicer. Fill a rice bowl all the way up and press it down gently but firmly. Place a flat plate on top, flip it over, and now you've got that nice, round restaurant-style rice. If you make the kimchi mixture ahead of time, you can just fry it with rice later. Super convenient. Thank you for watching. Bye.